Hey everyone, so I'm going to just do a quick unboxing on, this is the O-Cedar Microfiber Easywring Spin Mop and Bucket System. I wasn't sure if I should get this or not because I read a lot of people saying that this part was very small, but then a lot of people loved it as well. So I just want to do a quick unboxing to show you what it looks like. This removes over 99% of bacteria with just water. I find that very interesting. I don't know if that's all mops or for some reason is it this specific mop. If you know, comment below because I really don't know. Picks up dirt, dust, and hair with less effort. And right here on the bottom, let me show you. Okay, so this is the bottom of the box. You can see right here, extendable handle, 51 inches with mop head attached. The instructions are pretty simple. You fill the bucket to the max line. Do not use bleach. Place mop inside bucket. Place wet mop inside wringer. Loosely hold handle vertically to allow mop to spin, and push pedal to customize moisture level. So I have never used a mop like this with the bucket system attached that spins. So let's go ahead and unbox it. It is the #1 spin mop, so let's see. I'll also do another video after I use it and let you know what I think. Yeah, some people said that the mop head was really small, so we will see. Okay, here is the mop head. I will take that out of the plastic in a second. Let's just see what else we have here. Have that. We have the bucket that's of course attached with the spinner. Oh, and then the little handle. That's a pretty big bucket. Look at that. That is a pretty deep and wide bucket. So far, I think it seems pretty good. Oh. Video not sponsored, by the way, as all my videos are not sponsored. Extendable 22 to 36 inches or 36 to 48 inches. Repeat steps 1 through 3 for full extension. Alright, I am going to take this out of the plastic and I'll let you know exactly the size. Okay, so as you can see, this is the bulk of it right here that you see the plastic on the other side. But when you measure this part, because you see all of this is like a fringe, when you measure here, let's see how big it is. So it's about 6 inches and about 6 inches. So I guess that does seem kind of small, but I guess you really don't know until you use it, right? It looks really big with all of that. Let's see how big that is. The fringe. The fringe is about, what? Make sure it's fully extended. The fringe is about 3.5 inches. Okay. I'm going to put it together now. Okay, and on the inside of the box here, you see to assemble, you turn the handle left to adjust height, turn handle right to lock. Screw under the red plastic base, and you align microfiber mop head with the base and push down until it snaps securely in place. And then you can see that there are 3 telescoping parts. You see this is the handle, and you have this first telescoping part, the gray part, and then you have this part down here that it screws into. Okay, so you just screw this in here. Okay, so you see I screwed it in. I extended the pole the entire way. And then I locked it. There's 2 sections that you have to lock, and it says you literally just push down and snap this in. Oh, I heard a snap. There we go. Obviously, it's going to be simpler with 2 hands. Is that all the way in? Let me make sure. Oh, there we go. Obviously, I'm holding the camera. Yeah, that went in easy. It really did. There it is. I don't know. I don't think it's too small. You see? You have that little teeny section in the middle, that, you know, that triangular section, but then you have all the fringes. So yeah. Let me go ahead and measure it again. Okay, so from side to side, you see we have about 13.5 inches all the way across. So it does seem like a standard size. This is the cleanest you will ever see this mop. I wonder how it does in the washing machine because it is so soft. It almost feels like cotton. So I really wonder how it will hold up in the washing machine. I know that you can wash it. I know that they sell refill heads too. So I will use this. I will do a review on if it cleans the floor well, how well it holds up in the washing machine, etc. I'm going to use it a few times so I can give an accurate, honest review. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.